Okay, let's talk about coupon codes. So if you want to offer coupons on your products, memberships, courses, whatever, you will navigate to products and then the tab coupons. When your customer is on the checkout form, the coupon code will not, where you enter the coupon code, it will not show up unless there is an active coupon for that product. So it'll only show up if you have an active code. So just so you know, if you're like, well, why isn't it showing up? It has to be an active coupon. So to create a coupon code, you're going to click coupon, and then you can create your coupon code, and then you can either do an amount or a percentage, and then you're going to pick your amount. And then you're going to pick your product funnel. So let's say you want to create it off one of your memberships. Let's say I'm doing it off my Tech Hub membership, and I want it on the Tech Hub membership here. And it's going to show you all your price points. So for this one, I only have one price point right now, so that's fine. But just so you know, you have to create a new coupon for every single price point. So yes, it's a little annoying to set up. It takes 5 extra minutes to do it, but just make sure that you are creating a separate coupon for every single price point. You can keep the same code. It just has to be a new coupon for every price point. And then you can apply the discount to all payments, the first payment only, the first few payments, all payments except the first one, or first few payments except the first one, okay? And then you can also set up an expiration date with either no expiration. You can do it by date. So if you want to do a special launch promo for 10 days, you can set this up by calendar date, or you'll do it by sales. So let's say you want to do the first 15 people into your membership get a 15% off discount. This is how you will do it by number of sales for that price point. Okay, so pretty straightforward. And then as you can see, you'll have all your statuses of these coupon codes are on. You can delete them at any time or edit. So that is pretty much everything with coupon codes. I will say that you cannot offer a coupon code that covers the entire price. Let's say you want to give 100% discount off. As you can see, if you try and do 100% discount, no transaction will actually be allowed to be below $1. It says that, just read this text, but it will, the recurring rebill amount will automatically adjust it back to $1. So if you do want to offer free enrollment into your membership, I will show you how to add members into your membership for free, or you can have them fill out a form and then it can grant them access. Yeah, you can't use coupon codes to do like a scholarship or like a free scholarship or something like that. What I would do personally is get their email or have them be added to your list and then add them manually to on the back end manually to your membership. And that just would keep it simple. Okay, so that's everything about coupon codes.